How to add multiple images in one section on Wix website. Once on your Wix website, you can create a new section by tapping on Add Section. After you have done that, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and tap on Add Elements. After selecting Add Elements, what I want you to do next is hover over Gallery, and you're going to be selecting one of the Pro galleries. By the way, you can see numerous options that you can choose from. So you have different grids that will allow you to add different amounts of photos and also different shapes. So you can choose whichever one of these grids would resonate with you. So let's say, for example, this one. I'm just going to simply tap on it. After you have done that, you're going to give it a few seconds while it is being added to your website. Once it has been added, you're just going to tap on Manage Media from the top left hand corner. Once you have selected Manage Media, from there you will be able to choose the images that you want. So for example's sake, you can simply tap on Replace Image. After selecting Replace Image, you could go over to the top left hand corner and select Upload Media, and you could choose the image that you like to replace it with. So let's say we were to select this image for example's sake, and I'll just tap on Add to Page. You can see right there. And you can replace all of the images, and if it is a case that you like to delete a particular image, you can simply tap on the three dots in line with the image name, and you're just going to tap on Remove. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Done, and that's it. That's how you'll be able to add multiple images to a section on your Wix website.